Hi, Skyline. Hope everyone's having a really good day. I know I am. As you can see, I'm in my nice new lab coat. My wife decided that if I was going to do science videos, then I had to have a lab coat. And of course, she decided that I needed to have a lab assistant, and that was going to be Sadie. Poor Sadie hates the lab coat, but she looks so good in it. Anyway, I have a pretty cool experiment that we're going to do today, and let's get to it. So first of all, don't try this at home. There's broken glass. I take precautions. I'm wearing a leather glove, and I don't want any of you guys to get cut. Second of all, I did that clip where I'm breaking the bottle 2 days ago, and I still have a bruise on my hand from where I hit it because it took me multiple tries. What you can hopefully see from that clip is that holding the root beer in my hand, taking my other hand, I'm slamming it down on the lid, and for some reason, none of the bottle breaks except for the very bottom, and the bottom shoots off way faster than I'm hitting the bottom. So we're going to come up with some theories. Theory 1. The type of bottle matters. Theory 2. Hitting the bottle with your hand or a hammer will break it no matter what. Theory 3. The type of liquid matters. Theory 4. Air is forced into the bottle, it increases the pressure, and the bottle breaks. Theory 5. After hitting the bottle falls faster than the water inside, causing a vacuum. Alright, let's go over some of these theories in a little more detail. The first three theories are pretty self-explanatory. Theory 1, we're just going to try some different types of bottles. I've got a nice big one, and we're going to see if that reacts any differently. Theory 2 is pretty simple. We're just going to try hitting an empty bottle with that hammer to see if it breaks it, and just make sure that's not just that simple. Theory 3, the type of liquid matters. That one, we're going to try the difference between just plain water and something with some carbonation in it. So I'm going to use a root beer bottle that still is full of root beer. Theory 4 is where it starts to get a little more complicated. In this one, I have a diagram. Airflow is forced into the bottle when you hit your hand on top of it and it breaks. So here we've got this nice little diagram. So in this one right here, we've got the hand coming down and pushing air into the bottle, and that causes the airflow to come in and increase the pressure in the bottle, and then the bottle cracks. Now, theory 5 is probably the most complicated one. After hitting the bottle falls faster than the water inside, causing a vacuum. So let's go over to the diagram. So right here, you can see bottle full of water. When you hit the bottle goes down very fast, but the water stays still and creates this negative pressure underneath, which is called a vacuum. And then, because there's nothing here, the water flies back down to the bottom really fast and breaks the bottom of the water bottle out. Once again, I just want to tell you guys, please do not do this at home. It's dangerous. One of the bottles I broke pretty violently, and if I weren't wearing protective gear, I could have cut my hand really bad. So you gotta be careful. Don't do this at home. All right, so what I'm gonna do from here on out is this video is about to end, and what I want you guys to do is the comments are enabled in this video, so go down to the comments and write in which theory you think is correct. There can be more than one theory correct. So pick the theory that you think is correct And in next video, we're going to test all the theories out and figure it out.